Have you ever wondered how your favorite sushi rolls are mass-produced with precision and consistency? Let's explore the fascinating world of factory-made sushi. The journey begins with selecting premium ingredients to ensure every sushi piece meets high standards. Factories promote sustainability by acquiring seafood from fisheries that use environmentally acceptable practices. The fish is delivered fresh, frequently within hours after capture, and immediately stored at optimal temperatures to maintain its freshness. Each batch is thoroughly inspected, including visual tests for color, texture, and freshness, as well as chemical testing for safety and adherence to food standards. The rice, which is a staple of sushi, comes from locations known for their quality short-grain kinds, such as Japan and California. Short-grain japonica rice is chosen because of its capacity to become sticky when cooked, making it ideal for making sushi. The rice is thoroughly cleansed to eliminate extra starch before steaming in industrial cookers capable of handling hundreds of pounds at once, assuring consistent results for large-scale production. Vegetables such as cucumbers, carrots, and avocados are sourced from local farms whenever possible, ensuring freshness and lowering the factory's carbon footprint. Upon arrival, the veggies are properly washed, peeled, and cut with precise machinery to ensure uniformity. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees that each sushi roll looks as good as it tastes. To ensure the greatest quality, manufacturers frequently cooperate directly with sustainable fisheries and local farms to obtain their seafood and produce. The fish is supplied fresh and prepared on-site to maintain its texture and taste. Furthermore, suppliers adhere to strict criteria to ensure that the components are devoid of additives and unnatural treatments, which aligns with the clean labels trend that customers increasingly want. This direct link with suppliers guarantees traceability, allowing each sushi roll to be traced back to its source. Once cooked, the rice is seasoned and cooled to achieve the perfect balance of flavor and temperature. After steaming, the rice is delivered to industrial mixing equipment and gently mixed with seasoned rice vinegar. This vinegar, a combination of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, is essential for generating the acidic and light sweet flavor that distinguishes sushi rice. The mixing devices are intended to recreate traditional hand mixing processes, ensuring that the rice retains its structure and does not become mushy. The amount of seasoning added is measured precisely to maintain consistency across all batches. Technicians carefully supervise the mixing process, evaluating the rice for flavor and texture to ensure that it satisfies the needed criteria. Once seasoned, the rice is placed on big cooling trays to allow it to cool uniformly without clumping. Factories frequently use sophisticated chilling technologies, such as mild air fans and climate-controlled rooms, to bring the rice to the proper temperature for sushi construction. Cooling the rice fast not only preserves its texture, but also inhibits the formation of microorganisms, ensuring strict food safety regulations. By the end of the process, the rice will be perfectly seasoned, fluffy, and ready for the following stage. Consistency is essential when making sushi rice, and manufacturers do this by employing modern rice cookers that monitor moisture levels and temperature in real time. After cooking, the rice is combined with rice vinegar flavor using specifically developed paddles that resemble ancient hand-folding methods. This technique guarantees that the rice stays fluffy and does not break apart. Dehumidified cooling chambers are also used in factories to keep rice from absorbing too much moisture during the cooling process, allowing it to retain its optimal texture for rolling. Nori, the seaweed paper, is prepared to encase the sushi fillings. The nori sheets are acquired from coastal regions that produce high-quality seaweed such as Japan and Korea. These sheets are roasted and treated to produce their distinctive crispness and taste. Nori is delivered to factories in huge sealed packs to keep it fresh and prevent moisture from compromising its texture. Before usage, each sheet of nori is examined for thickness and color consistency. Sheets with tears or defects are left away and may be reused for other items, such as seaweed snacks or seasoning mixes. The chosen nori is then carefully placed on conveyor belts to ensure it is level and ready for the layering procedure. Factories also monitor humidity levels in the production area to prevent nori from becoming excessively brittle or soft. In high-volume production, automatic feeders properly align the nori sheets on the assembly line, readying them to receive precisely measured amounts of seasoned rice and fillings. To preserve the nori's freshness and crisp texture, factories store the seaweed in climate-controlled conditions until it is ready for use. Before construction, nori sheets are lightly toasted to enhance their flavor and aroma, as well as to reinforce the sheets so they can better hold the rice and contents. Quality control teams inspect each batch of nori for uniform thickness and moisture levels, as even little differences can disrupt the entire sushi making process. Advanced machinery assembles the sushi rolls with precision and speed. Sushi robots play an important part in the assembly stage by making uniform rolls. These machines have precise settings for spreading a uniform layer of seasoned rice across the nori sheets, resulting in a constant thickness. The rice is evenly spread with a slight margin on one edge of the nori to allow for smooth rolling. After the rice is laid, the machines add fillings like slices of fresh fish, julienne vegetables, or imitation crab sticks. The positioning of these components is precisely adjusted to ensure that each roll has the ideal combination of flavors and textures. Automated dispensers are used to pump additional ingredients like avocado or spicy mayo into rolls like California or spicy tuna. After the ingredients are added, the sushi robots tightly roll the nori to resemble the hand rolling technique utilized by traditional sushi chefs. The wrapped sushi is then gently pressed to keep its shape and avoid smashing the fillings. Inside-out rolls are made in factories by flipping the nori so that the rice is on the outside and adding sesame seeds or tobiko for flavor and visual appeal. Some factories customize the sushi's assembly process to meet specific regional or consumer preferences. Certain machines, for example, are designed to include more significant quantities of fish for premium rolls, as well as unique components such as mango or cream cheese for fusion sushi. Precision stacking ensures that each slice of futamaki has a visually pleasing cross-section. Advanced machinery also allows for roll tightness modifications to accommodate different textures and tastes. Rolled sushi is then cut into bite-sized pieces, ready for packaging. After the sushi rolls are produced, they are moved to cutting machines outfitted with ultra-sharp non-stick blades. These blades provide clean, accurate slices without squashing the rice or shifting the fillings. Each roll is usually cut into 6 or 8 equal pieces, depending on the product's specifications. The cutting procedure is precisely tuned to preserve the structural integrity and aesthetic appeal of the sushi. For specialist rolls with complicated designs, such as dragon or rainbow rolls, the fillings and toppings are carefully aligned before cutting. Technicians test the machines on a regular basis to verify that the blades are sharp and running at peak efficiency. After cutting, the individual sushi pieces are transferred to trays or conveyor belts. Any portions that do not match quality standards, such as uneven cuts or loose rolls, are removed and recycled into new items, like sushi bowls or wraps. This guarantees that only high-quality parts make it to the packaging stage. In addition to standard roll cutting, some companies use precision instruments to make unique forms, such as heart-shaped rolls for special occasions or bite-sized sushi for bento boxes. These machines can handle even the most delicate rolls without harming the exquisite fillings or toppings. Premium items are cut using advanced ultrasonic cutters, which use vibrations to make the finest cuts possible, guaranteeing that even the most delicate sushi pieces retain their structure and aesthetic appeal. Each piece undergoes rigorous quality checks before being carefully packaged for distribution. Once the sushi is cut, it is taken to the quality control station where skilled inspectors check each piece for size, shape, and ingredient alignment. Automated cameras also examine the sushi for flaws, assuring uniform appearance and quality. Pieces that do not match the requirements are removed and recycled into new items. Approved sushi pieces are placed in trays using robotic arms or conveyor systems. The trays are intended to keep sushi fresh and unbroken throughout transportation. Some packaging contains compartments for soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger, making it easier for clients. Once filled, the trays are covered with tamper-proof film to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. The sealed products are then labeled with important information like ingredients, nutritional values, manufacturing dates, and expiration dates. Some high-end sushi producers utilize vacuum-sealed or modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, to lengthen the shelf life while preserving the sushi's texture and flavor. Before being packaged for transport, each parcel is given a last examination. To maintain the highest standards, several manufacturers use automated vision systems equipped with AI to spot flaws that human inspectors may overlook. These systems evaluate each piece for symmetry, ingredient alignment, and even rice shininess. Manual checks are performed on specialty or high-end sushi to ensure a perfect aesthetic appearance. Packaging materials are also carefully chosen, with some factories choosing eco-friendly solutions like biodegradable trays or recyclable film, which correspond with sustainable practices. Once packaged, the sushi is stored and transported under optimal conditions to ensure freshness upon arrival. After packaging, the sushi trays are placed in temperature-controlled storage facilities set to 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 39 degrees Fahrenheit. These precise conditions inhibit bacterial development while preserving the sushi's delicate texture and flavors. The storage procedure is closely monitored with real-time temperature sensors to ensure that freshness is maintained at all times. When the trays are ready for transportation, they are put into insulated crates or cartons designed to keep them cool during transport. Factory workers frequently use refrigerated vehicles outfitted with advanced tracking devices to keep track of both their whereabouts and their storage conditions. This ensures that the sushi arrives at retail outlets, cafes, and supermarkets in excellent shape. For more international shipments, firms use cold chain logistics, which include air transportation in temperature-controlled containers. This enables producers to offer fresh sushi to markets around the world while maintaining strict food safety and quality standards. When the sushi trays arrive at their destinations, they are promptly placed in refrigerated display cases, ready for guests to enjoy. To maintain freshness during transportation, several firms utilize insulated packing with gel packs or dry ice for temperature-sensitive deliveries. This is especially important for sushi made with raw fish, which requires a constant cold chain to maintain quality and safety. Furthermore, manufacturers use GPS-enabled tracking systems to send real-time information to merchants on delivery progress and storage conditions, guaranteeing that sushi arrives in the freshest possible condition. From sourcing the finest ingredients to precise assembly and innovative packaging, the journey of factory-made sushi is a seamless blend of tradition and technology. The next time you enjoy sushi from your local store, remember the incredible care and precision that goes into each roll, bringing the art of sushi making to your table, no matter where you are. Thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes look at sushi production in a factory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more unique insights into your favorite meals. Until next time, enjoy every meal.